Hi guys, it's the Woodpecker here, and I'm just going to be doing the motherboard, well, not just motherboard, but the whole lot upgrade video, which I'm going to put in this case. This is the Zalman Z3 case. It's full ATX, aka desktop size. There's the old motherboard. If you want to kind of have a, let's get rid of these cables. Kind of have a look at it. This has a, under this fan is a Intel Core 2 quad, 3 gigs of RAM, I think, little fan on there, and yeah, that's kind of it, little board. I'm going to keep it because it works. If you just move this stuff out the way here, here's the new motherboard. This here is a ASUS M5 A97 LER 2.0. It's for the AMD processors, and it's got this stuff in that you can see. Energy savings, that's good. Just turn it over and so you can have a quick look at the specs. Pause it there if you want. Yeah, it's got USB 3, but anyway, let's just have a look at the actual board itself. And I am of course doing this on a protective surface, i.e. a piece of wood. Well, an extra piece of wood that was for my desk, but for some reason it was there anyway. So in here you've got the board itself, which let's get that out. See what else is in here. We've got the user guide, which I have read through most of it. Got the get it out of here. Got the CD, which I think has also got the user's guide on and some drivers and stuff, so that's nice. Got the little plate thing that goes on the back, so that all the connectors line up. What's this? Camera doesn't like that. Something about the starter, safety information, quick start guide. Yeah, I've read all that. Have a look at the actual board itself. It's going to be so difficult getting this out one-handed, but since I'm not putting it back away in here, yeah, it shouldn't really matter. I'll probably put that one in here for the time being. I'm not sure. Probably put that in a new case or something. Might sell it. Don't know. Can't get it out of it. Hold on. I'll be back once I've got this out of the box. Okay, we've now got it out of the bag, and here's the motherboard itself. You can see this is where the zoom into that. This is where the AMD processor sits. Doesn't like focusing on that. Okay, whatever. There's the power for it. That's the main power for the whole board. There's where the RAM goes. Here's the ports on the back. We got the PS2 mouse and keyboard, USB 3. 6 USB 2.0s, gigabit Ethernet, and the standard audio, so you got audio in and out. On the back here we've got the various PCIs. You've got the express ones, which are these four I believe, and the standard ones. Down here you've got USB stuff for like the front USB plugs. I think this one is like power and stuff, for like the power buttons and the indicator lights on the front. Oh no, this one here is, sorry, got a bit confused there, damn. And these ones here on the front are SATA ports for hard drives and stuff. So also, let's just see what else we're going to be putting in there. Here is the processor. This is the AMD FX 4300. It's a 4 GHz processor. Let's just have a look inside. Okay, what have we got in here? We've got the little certificate of authenticity and some probably more instructions. Got the cooling fan with the heat solution applied. And here's the actual processor itself. There it is, focused for a bit. But anyway, and of course you get the little sticker to go on the front. So yeah, that's going to be nice. Also got, this is the graphics card that I've got. Well, it's from that when I had that in there. But yeah, I am going to be upgrading this in the future. But graphics cards are so expensive. So for the time being, it's going to be this ASUS Nvidia GT210. So I'll put that in. Here we have a parallel port card for the old printer that I've got. Okay, this is all the RAM they got. All of these are from eBay, okay. This one here is a Samsung 4GB stick. These are all DDR3 style. This one here is a SuperTalent, made in the USA. This is 1GB stick. I'm not quite sure why it's got like this metal thing on the top of it, but okay. And in this little box, plastic thing here, we've now got it out of the box. It's quite difficult to do, get out of that little plastic box there. But here we have, I'm not sure what the maker this is, but it says HP on the back of it, so I'm thinking it's come from a HP, but it doesn't actually have any make on it, but it is from China, and it's a 1GB stick, so that's going to be, well, the math is 4 plus 1 plus 1, which is 6. So they're going to be going in there, which I'm going to do right now. Let's just get some of this packing out the way. So I believe the one on the furthest side, you put the largest, then you go to the smallest. So where's that 4GB stick? Let's put this in. Should be able to do this bit one-handed. Let's open these up. Place that 4GB in there. In it goes to the slot. There it goes. It's in. It's in and it's clicked in. Yeah. Let's put in this no-name 1GB stick into this nice blue slot. I like the colour scheme on this board, it's very nice. Put that in there, nice and gently, and it goes.
And now, prepare for the best part ever in a PC build video.
SuperTalent stick in here. Which sounds like a brilliant name. I bet this is going to be really good. It's made in the USA, so it's not China or anywhere like that. What an insane... It's not even... Can you fit in? What's going on? Let's try it in this fourth one then. Not sure what's going on there. Oh. This isn't the right size. Damn. Let's just take a stick out of this. Oh damn. That's DDR2. Well, that is. Damn. Oh well. 5GB will work. A bit weird, but okay. Whatever. Hey, at least I can upgrade that. Oh well, for now it's going to be 5GB. You'll have to have like a weird amount.
I hope you enjoyed this video, which is part 1 of my PC build. The specs and products seen on this video are on screen now. I thought I brought all DDR3, but it turned out one of them was DDR2. Anyway, in the next part which will be out soon, I will be installing the processor and expansion cards. Give it a like if you enjoyed it, comment and subscribe, and follow me on Twitter at @thewoodpecker1 and on Instagram at _thewoodpecker_. Bye guys!